So my name is George Bingham. Let me talk to you a little bit about Dave McElroy. I've known Dave for 15 years. We've done numerous businesses together. What I like about Dave as a mentor and as a teacher, as a coach, Dave is one of the most honest people that I've ever met. Dave has a real passion for helping people. And that is why I would recommend Dave, because not only does he know how to be successful in a business venture, but Dave can coach and teach you the same work ethics that he has. One of the things that has made Dave so successful is that he is driven. And what I mean by driven is that Dave will do whatever it is it takes to make a project successful. One thing that Dave taught me is the importance of not only working smart, but being diligent and working hard and following through. And these are the things that have made me very successful. So my name is George Bingham, and I would like to close by saying David McElroy is a man that you can trust, a man of integrity, and a man that can teach you and train you to be successful in your business.